Do you want to hand me a straight bladed screwdriver, that gray handle, the gray handle sticking up right there?
So, Dad, since I have you here in my house, since you installed the Steam Humidifier, it's summertime, and I was wondering if you could show us how to kind of get it ready for the summer to take it out of action, so to speak.
Sure, it's super simple. So your Steam Humidifier, it's simply a matter at the end of the season of turning it off. Just going to turn it off. And when it does that, it's now going to drain the water out of it. See, this is the residue left behind. But see, it's really just on the outside of the tank. Can you see how you can see through it? It's really just a dirty tank, so it's really not going to need to be replaced or anything, but we could certainly flush it out as we start the next season with it. Looks good.
Would we do that? Would you normally go ahead and do that cleaning process now, or at the end or the beginning of next season?
Either way. Right now it's dormant. It really isn't going to affect it one way or the other, but you could take it out. It's simply going to be a matter of killing the power to it and taking the steam hose off and sliding it up out of this O-ring. It literally just slides down into a little receiver for it. We literally will get them full of rocks. That's how hard the water can be. So, did it run all last year? All of last year?
Installed in like November.
So, yeah, good part of the season. Good, the majority of the season. Oh, it's still draining, so it's got water running right now. You see it running down there? Yeah, but that's hardly just a skim on the outside of the tank. That's not bad at all. That's nothing that's going to affect it at all. Okay, so yeah, I still see water draining. We'll keep the power on. This thing should turn off. You don't have to, but then this is a service switch here. You can just turn it off. But certainly it's good to go ahead and turn it off here while you still have power applied to it, so it will go through this draining process. I'd be afraid if I just turned it off up here that it's not going to go through a full drain. It's energizing a valve to drain it.
Drain it.
And see, now it's no longer lit, so it's all done. Know that when you come back down this fall, you just turn it on, and it will just fill up from that point. Okay.